Here I've got VERNEE Thor Plus, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down and find security, and obviously tap on it to open, then scroll down a bit one more time, and here you will notice unknown sources tab. So if you would like to allow installation of apps from unknown sources, simply tap on this switcher. And now you have to confirm that you are aware of the fact that if there will be any issues caused by those apps, it will be all on you, the blame will be on you. So if you are aware of that fact, simply click on OK. And that's it. From now on you will be able to install some apps from different sources than your home store. So that's it. This is how you can allow unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.